Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. A couple of quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk through the futures market and how it all works. One little thing that maybe gets you interested, 0 pattern day trading rule. Something else for you people that are very busy. The markets are open 6 days a week, 23 hours per day. So there's always going to be some sort of opportunity for you to find a time to trade. So a lot of other things to like about them, but those are kind of the two main ones that you may find interesting and potentially value adding within your trading. And then the second thing, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? You can find all that at the link up above. I'll also put it down in the description area. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, yet you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value, then again, check out that link. So I will go ahead. Well, a little context again, like I said, the markets are open around the clock 6 days a week. So I've made a couple of trades already. Nothing huge. So I am technically starting off in the green a little bit here, but we'll see where we can go from there. So I will pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a next potential trade. All right, I am going to get short right there. I'm short too. I didn't realize that was a partial fill, so not ideal. I'll just put that order if it wants to go down and see if I can maybe add some more here. All right. So small little gain on that one. I wanted 5 contracts. I only got 2. So on that note, yes, in futures, you are trading contracts like options, but, and this is a massive but, unlike options, there's no theta. So if you are a day trader of options, you're like, wait, what's theta? What do you even mean? That's a red flag. That is a red flag that you are undereducated on options if you do not know what theta is and you are day trading options. All right, I'll pause and we'll go back to the drawing board. All right, markets are open. Looks like we have some momentum. I think it'll carry it up to that pink line there. So let me see what I can do here. Oh, did I miss it? Okay, in. There we go to that pink line. And just like that, well, I was up, I think I was up $25. So technically a little less. Oh, wow. Whoa. Okay. Not only did it want the pink line, wow. Okay. 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 Alrighty then. I definitely, the market is a bizarre place. Now I feel like a total baboon for that trade. But let's think about the context of that trade. Was I in that trade five seconds? I don't even know if I was in that trade 5 seconds. $1,000, 5 seconds. But now I'm sitting here saying, wow, what a terrible trade. I tell you what, the markets, this is why trading is hard. The markets have a very unique way to screw with your mind. Look at this thing. Wow. I'm just going to let this play out. Let's see how high this actually goes. This is, I guess sometimes all you can do is laugh. I have left thousands of dollars on the table. And the funny part is, when I got in, I'm like, I think I'm a little late to the party. Like, again, you heard me say it. I think it can get that pink line. But I thought, I needed to get in a little bit sooner. So I was happy that, and it wasn't even close to stopping at the pink line. Wow. Again, this is live, so this is not a voiceover. This is like real time. So if I sound a little discombobulated, I think that's a real word. That is why that literally just happened. Maybe that'll have to be the title of this video. Why is trading hard? This is, I mean, many reasons why it's hard, but this is one where the market can make you feel like a total and utter failure, which is how I feel right now, even though that trade was 5 seconds, $1,000. I know. Technically, Clay, you're up 25, so it was less. Okay, you're right. Can I just call it 1,000 to keep the math, or to just keep it easy? But 5 seconds, $1,000, and I'm feeling like a complete and utter failure. Man, that is, well, I don't, yeah, that's, see, now I have to be careful because I'm quite disappointed and irritated. And now I'm like, in my mind, I'm like, man, I should be up like thousands right now. So now I want to just throw out trades to try to get up to kind of quote unquote where I should be. But like, what am I even talking about? What am I even talking about? It's crazy. All right, well, I think for my account safety, I better just kind of call it good. So, yeah, we'll call it good. Before I do go though, if you probably, why would you sign up for this? I don't even know. Apparently, I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, I'm offering this free class. If you're a beginner trader, struggling trader, then go to the claytrader.com/live. This sounds all such like why would I sign up for your class, dude? You just literally butchered that trade. Fair enough, fair enough. So if you're beginner trader, newer trader, struggling trader, consider it. But I also, after seeing that trade, I understand if you're just like, nope, not going to sign up. You have nothing to offer. Fair enough, fair enough. So thanks for watching. If you want to hit the like button, great. If not, that's fine too. I totally understand. Have a good one.